I'm going to show you a secret Forex indicator that's going to get you rich faster. Okay, so this secret Forex indicator is called kill zones. Now what the kill zones are going to allow you to do is enter at the perfect time, so you're not going through no consolidation and you're not getting losses, you're not getting stopped out. It's going to increase your win rate by literally like 70%, bro, like not even playing, bro. So this is what it is, the kill zones. You're going to go to indicators, you're going to type in kill zones. And then, let me see, go to the Oscar VS, that's the one you want, 749 downloads, you're going to put that. I already have it on here, so I'm going to unhide it. And I use this every day. This is not some bullshit video where I don't even use what I'm talking about. So I trade the New York session, so I only want to trade in this blue line and after. If it's not there, I'm not taking it. Now just pay attention to what happens when you enter that. This is the London session, right? So if you want to trade London, you can trade London, but I don't see why you would. You can see it right here. It's consolidating. So look at consolidation, consolidation. As soon as we hit that blue line, now we start making movements. Now we're moving, right? So this is why you want these kill zones, so you get in at the right time. You would enter the trade right here, you're losing, bro. You're losing all day, bro. You enter right here, you catch the breakout, you're gone. You look for a Fibonacci. I'm sure you can find one in there somewhere. I'm telling you, look, just look, it starts moving. London does move, so if you want to use London, you just, when you add it, you go to the settings, you put London, boom, boom. Now you got London, now you know exactly when to trade. Don't ever trade Tokyo, it's just not good. Change the colors. I got New York, so now what you want to do to really increase your win rate is put these kill zones on, and then you want to back test. But when you're back testing, make sure you lower this so you're not cheating. And then you only look for your trades in the zones that you're trading, right? And you just keep back testing. Back test London and New York and see which one that your win rate is higher, right? So if you're winning more in New York, then it sucks, bro, but you got to get up early. You got to get up at 4 in the morning. If it works better at nighttime, you got to stay up all night. It's just how Forex works, bro. There ain't no easy routes. This is going to make your journey so much shorter, just knowing when to trade and know, like if you see a trade set up before your time, no matter how perfect it looks, you don't enter because it's not in your kill zone. And then you're going to notice that most of the time you would have lost that trade. This is the kill zone. You're going to do great. You're going to be rich a lot faster. I wish I would have known this when I started instead of trading at the wrong times. Bro, this is going to save you so much time. And if you don't see an entry in your kill zone, you don't trade. So you're going to save losses right there too. You got to be disciplined, bro. It don't matter what your mind is telling you. You want to trade. You want to be in a trade. It doesn't matter, bro. If it's not in the kill zone, you don't enter. So now that I have the kill zones on, I'm going to show you a live trade, a live entry right here, right now. So let's get it. All right, guys, so I just entered this trade right now on AUD USD. So I'm risking 1,000. Hopefully we make 2 or 3. Let's see what happens. Right now it's currently going against me, but I'm sure it's going to pull back and go my way. So let's get it, because we in them kill zones right now. So when you in them kill zones, it usually goes your way if your strategy's on point. So let's see right now. I'm currently at negative 100. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're up $100, $200. Nice rejection. See what happens. All right, so we're currently down $300. It looks like price is going against me, but let's see. I just gotta stay faithful, stick to your plan, see what's up. Them kill zones got my back. So now we're back up in profit. We're like $400, so let's see what's up. Just gotta be patient. Nothing to do but to wait. Next candle just opened up. Hopefully this is the one. We closed bearish, so that's good. Let's see. Come on now. Come on now. As soon as we break that low of that candle, we gone. I already know it. We gone. Yes, sir. Come on, break it. Break it. Yes, sir. I know. We out of here, bro. I ain't gotta look at my watch. I'm gonna turn around. I ain't gotta look. This bullshit. I'm about to watch this shit, bro. There's money on the line. Come on now. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Come on. Alright, we're finna get out right now. Oh, we're only at 1,000. We gotta hit 2,000 at least. 1,800, 2,000 around there. I'm good. Let's see what happens. Now, usually I would hold this. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Come on now. There we go. 2,000 right there. Can we get more? Can we get a little bit more? Let's see if we can get a little bit more, bro. Come on, we can get a little bit more. Move my stops to break even. What you wanna do? What you wanna do, bro? 1400. Okay, we're rejecting kind of hard. Nope, move my stops right there. Cool. All right, now this is a risk-free trade, so whatever happens, happens. But I really want to take this 200. I mean, this 2K. Got that rejection. Let's see. Come on now. Come on now, just give me 2K, bro. Just, oh, come on now, give me 2K. Probably gonna move my stops to 1 and 1. I'm not trying to lose all my money, bro. I ain't trying to give it all back. Come on now. Ooh, that rejection's strong. Yep, I might have to put it to 1 and 1. Let's see what happens. Put it into some profit. We gotta worry about it. Yes, sir. That's what I need right there. I'm closing. I'm closing this shit. Closing. That's it. That's it, bruh. Good trading day. It's probably gonna go further. But hey, it's close to December. We're like a day before December. So, you know, these markets be trash during the fourth quarter. So I'm just gonna play it safe, get my 1 and 2, and I'm gone. All right, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys use kill zones. Peace.